Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday, March 2nd, and this is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar. And if you were on board yesterday, man, it was a doozy of the day. The market took off and didn't look back, but it's not as easy as it looks, and I'm going to show you why. Remember I told you about the fog of war move on Monday mornings. We're going to get back to that in a minute, a little later in this short video. Let's start out today looking at our economic calendar. Always have to look at the economic calendar to see what announcements are coming up for the day. Fed Gov Len Brainerd speaks. San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly speaks. Not going to be market moving events, and really nothing. Motor vehicle sales, not going to be a surprise either way. Going to move the market. There's no bad news in here in this morning announcement. Investors Business Daily. There's the usual. This stock is going to go. This stock is up. That stock was down. Nothing really market moving as far as what I've read on the information here. Top stocks to watch. There's always top stocks to watch. There's always stocks that are falling. There's always stocks that are advancing. So we can't get lost in the weeds over here. Moving over to Investors Business Daily. Well, there's got to be some profit taking after a day like yesterday, where the market was up so substantially. So Dow futures are down 54 points, S&P futures down 9, Nasdaq futures down 46. Oil about steady, and the 10-year treasuries, and this is what caused the ruckus last week in the first place when the treasury spiked to 1.6, 1.438. So not really a change from that's going to spook investors. But remember, in a buoyant market, we always have to keep an eye on things that can cause a glitch in market activity. And one of those things is the interest rates. So we always want to keep an eye on interest rates, 10-year treasuries. Moving over to the chart of the Emini for yesterday, starting at March 1st at 9:30, the Emini opened at 38.59. In the first 3 minutes, these are 3-minute candles, and there are 4 points in between each horizontal line here. So the market in the first 3 minutes moved up about 8 points, but look what happened. There was a doji that formed in the next 3-minute candle, and this possibly could have shaken people off. Remember, I mentioned that Monday morning fog of war move. I said if the market starts moving higher first thing in the morning, and there's no apparent reason for it, and market sentiment is generally good based on morning reports where there's no negative news, jump in on the market in a market order and ride it out for a few minutes, and you can pick up a quick few easy points. And that's exactly what happened here. Could have picked up possibly 8 points in the first 3 minutes. If you were shaken off by the doji, that would have been fine. 8 points in a $50 E-mini would be $400. Not too shabby for 3 minutes work. But look what happened on the 9:36 candle. Again, these are 3-minute candles. Prices retreated, profit taking down to almost where it opened. In fact, actually where it did open. Prices retreated to the open, but then recovered. From then on, the market seesawed a little bit here, but basically it was a trending day from 9:30 at the open until about 11 a.m. And if you just bought from at 9:30 at market open at 38.59 and held on till 11 or so, you would have, let's see, gotten out at 38.92. That would have been 33-point gain. Not too shabby. So either way, yesterday was a humdinger of a day. So if you stayed on, you took my advice, even if you picked up a quick 8 points in the morning, you had a good day. I hope you took advantage of it, had a great day. Anyway, thanks for watching, and have a safe trading day. Remember, always exercise patience. If you're looking for some training, some great advice on how to trade S&P E-minis consistently and successfully, check out my course, Trading Mastery for Financial Freedom, at timelessdollar.com. Okay, that's me, Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar. It's just before market open, about a half an hour to go until market open. Tuesday, March 2nd. You have a great day.